Alrighty guys, I got a new fan yesterday. It's an SMC Park Avenue. I'm not too sure what the date is on this thing. I think it's either a 1 or a 2. Definitely not 3, but this fan has a few problems. For one, it doesn't have a nut. So I'm going to have to go in there and replace the switch, because it's not the type where you can add a nut. It does have a very nice pull chain right here for the fan. The fan works. It's got some nice stencil, and it had 3 tulip gloves. One of them was missing, so I'm just gonna put these on there. Which, yes, we're on my Charleston now. The Charleston has these nice tulip globes. I don't know what that was. This fan, its other problem is this thing's quite dusty. I even wiped it off, but yeah, I think we're gonna take the air blower to it. In the motor, as you can tell, it has bad bearings. The bearings are very not good. The bearings are kind of rusty even. So yeah, this SMC Park Avenue will definitely be needing oiling, to say the least. You can tell it has bad bearings, so when I spin it and I go over to my St. Augustine, which hopefully I will get installed soonish, because this actually works. The motor stays spinning for much longer. And when we tested it, when we did putting the fan wires into an outlet trick, it was like a lot of bad bearing noises. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this fan's gonna be pretty good. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.